Hello, welcome to the Aucontech channel. Today we will quickly learn about the Ewon IIoT Data Starter Kit. In this video, we will show you the overall information about this product and how it works. Let's get started. First, we need to know, what is it? If you're wondering where to start with factory digital transformation, the answer could be the Ewon IIoT Data Starter Kit. It helps you quickly collect data from machines in your factory. Inside the kit, you will find the industrial gateway Ewon Flexi, the necessary connection accessories, and a cloud account on Talk2M to store and access your data. With this kit, machine data can be easily monitored on your computer or smartphone. So, who needs it, and when should you use it? Okay, if you are a maintenance engineer, an automation engineer, or a factory that wants to start the IIoT journey, this kit is for you. Besides, if your factory has a complex system or has not started using IIoT yet, this can still be an ideal starting point to expand your IIoT capabilities. Next, one of the most common questions we receive is about compatibility. Can it work with older PLCs? With its modular architecture, Ewon Flexi can connect to and collect data from many different PLCs and industrial devices, including legacy systems. This allows companies to use their existing equipment while still bringing operational data from the OT layer to IT systems or data analytics platforms. So even if your factory equipment is quite old, don't worry, we can still handle it. And finally, let's talk about security. Security is one of the biggest concerns when connecting machines to the network. With Ewon, security is built into the solution. The platform follows international standards such as ISO 27001 and uses a secure VPN connection to create a private communication channel. This helps separate the OT, machine network, from the IT, office network, and allows engineers to access machines remotely in a secure way. Starting your IIoT journey today. Feel free to contact us or leave a message in the comments. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to share and subscribe. Hope you have a great day, and see you next time.